Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to extract ashwagandha from the plant. Ashwagandha is a powerful herb, and its roots are rich in beneficial compounds known as withanolides. Extracting these compounds allows us to create a concentrated form for various applications. We will go through the steps to prepare the roots, perform the extraction, and finally concentrate the valuable plant material into a potent extract. Let's get started with the initial preparation. The first crucial step is preparing the ashwagandha roots. You should harvest mature roots, usually around 150 to 180 days after planting. Once harvested, meticulously clean the roots to remove all dirt and debris. Next, thoroughly dry them, either by air drying in a well-ventilated area or using a dehydrator, ensuring no moisture remains. Finally, grind the dried roots into a fine powder using a grinder or mortar and pestle. This increases the surface area for efficient extraction. Now, let's move to the water-based extraction. In a pot, combine 1 part ashwagandha root powder with 10 parts purified water. For example, use 100 grams of powder with 1,000 milliliters of water. Gently simmer this mixture over low heat for about 30 to 60 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. After simmering, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to separate the solids. You can repeat this process with the leftover root material for a more complete extraction. The final step involves concentrating your ashwagandha extract. Take the strained liquid and gently reduce it over very low heat. The goal is to slowly evaporate the water until you are left with a thick, concentrated extract or paste. Be careful not to burn it. Once cooled, transfer your finished ashwagandha extract into a clean, airtight container. This concentrated form is now rich in the plant's beneficial compounds, ready for your desired use, offering a potent natural product.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.